Hi guys, my name is Nathan. This is a quick shout out to y'all who haven't know this guy. It's called Austin Hyper channel. It's actually called I think it's called what I don't know why I think he for what I let's just say it. And this is a guy called Mor Austin Hyper channel. Just gonna say shout out to him, and if you haven't subscribed to him yet, I have subscribed to him. So if you haven't subscribed, click this button right here, then press the subscribe button right there, then press the bell button of all notifications. Also like his videos. Give him a big fat like so you don't miss a video from him. Okay, so that was sorry for showing you the bad words, but these are literally I actually don't like bad words, so I'm sorry for showing you that. And just um I I didn't so yeah, subscribe to there's he has other channels that I'm going to show you. These will be the channels that you should subscribe. Subscribe to these two channels right here. This one right here. Subscribe to him like this. Again. Then the other one called Austin Hyper is back. Then there you go. There you go. So bye.